Hi, everyone. Quick heads up, if you prefer the written post, check out the link in the description. All right, let's just dive right into this explainer. Today, we're looking at something that is literally shifting the ground beneath our feet when it comes to how developers interact with code. We're talking about Grok Build, xAI's terminal-based AI coding agent. Look, if you spend half your life living in the terminal, wrestling with giant repos, and constantly hunting for ways to smooth out your workflow, you are going to want to pay very close attention to this one.
Seriously, imagine this for a second. What if your terminal actually understood your entire code base? I mean, not just running commands or grepping for text, but truly grasping the context, the architecture, the whole logic of what you're building. We are officially moving way past the era of standard autocomplete, you guys. We're stepping right into the future of terminal-based AI. Grok Build is fueled by the insanely capable Grok 4.5 model, and it essentially morphs your command line into an active, intelligent partner that sees the big picture of your software.
Section 1, Meet Grok Build, the terminal native AI harness. So what is this thing exactly? Basically, it's a super powerful, fully open source coding agent built by xAI. And the best part? It's written in Rust, so you know it's built for serious performance and reliability. It works seamlessly with pretty much any codebase or language you throw it at it. Plus, it installs with just one single command. No massive headache-inducing setup needed.
And Grok Build is ridiculously flexible. On one hand, you've got this gorgeous interactive full-screen TUI, or Terminal User Interface. It's a keyboard-first, highly immersive environment that actually supports mouse clicks right there in your terminal. It's awesome. But hey, it doesn't box you in. You can also run it completely headless for your scripts and CI pipelines, or you can even embed it directly into your favorite IDEs using ACP, which stands for the Agent Client Protocol. It literally just meets you wherever you prefer to work.
Now, the real kicker here is that this sophisticated agent runtime isn't just sitting there passively reading your code. It's an active participant. It comes with core agent tool use baked right in from the start. We're talking direct file editing, executing shell commands on your behalf, firing up web searches if it needs to check some docs, and handling your Git operations. It uses all these tools to intelligently mess around in your local dev environment and actually get stuff done.
Moving right along to Section 2, the Plan Mode Workflow Step-by-Step Execution. This is where we really get to see how developers can tackle massively complex tasks without, totally losing control of the wheel.
So let's walk through a little scenario. Say you have this monstrous refactoring task. You fire up plan mode. Step 1. Grok analyzes the entire problem and actually proposes a structured approach. It doesn't just go in blind breaking things. Step 2, you review that plan. You can leave comments, tweak it, or just completely rewrite parts of it if Grok missed some tricky business logic. And then Step 3, once you're completely happy, you approve it. Grok runs the execution, and boom, you get these beautifully clean diffs to inspect. You are always the one in the driver's seat here.
Okay, Section 3, Parallel Subagents at Work, Scaling Your Output. Honestly, this is the absolute wow factor of this explainer. This is where Grok Build transforms from a handy little assistant into a massive force multiplier for your productivity.
Get this, you can now delegate chunks of huge tasks to specialized subagents that run in parallel. Just think about the sheer power of that for a second. Instead of a linear, one-thing-at-a-time workflow, Grok Build lets you spin up multiple AI subagents all at once. You could literally have one agent hammering out back-end logic while another completely separate agent is writing the unit tests for it at the exact same time. It's an absolute game changer for scaling up how much you can build. This whole parallel execution thing is absolutely perfect for heavy lifting. Think deep research, massive testing suites, giant codebase refactors, or just exploring a new idea. And here's the crucial takeaway. These subagents run in completely isolated work trees. So they are safely tucked away in their own little sandboxes. They aren't going to step on your toes, they won't conflict with each other, and there's absolutely no way they'll accidentally trash your main dev environment while they experiment.
Right, let's shift gears to Section 4, Endless Extensibility, making it yours. Because out of the box, Grok Build is engineered to plug flawlessly into the rest of a modern developer's daily tech stack.
I am totally obsessed with this feature. They're called skills. Basically, you can turn your repeated workflows into reusable slash commands using the /skillify command. Imagine automating your most mind-numbing repetitive daily chores, scaffolding new components, running specific deployment checks, whatever it is, you just teach it the workflow once, type /skillify, and from then on, a simple slash command instantly executes the whole shebang. So cool.
And the broader ecosystem is just super rich. You can drop an agents.md file in your repo to set universal rules that Grok will automatically respect. There's full support for plugins and hooks, so you can trigger custom actions based on specific events. But the real kicker? It supports MCP, or Model Context Protocol servers right out of the gate. That means Grok Build can talk directly to issue trackers like Linear, monitoring setups like Sentry, your web browsers, and even natively query your databases. The reach it has across your systems is wild.
All right, let's keep this momentum rolling right into our final section, additional superpowers, the ultimate developer experience. These are the technical highlights from the source material that just completely polish the rough edges off of terminal-based development.
Let's do a rapid-fire rundown here because these are fantastic. First up, deep code search combined with multi-file edits. Say goodbye to opening 20 different tabs just to rename one variable globally. Next, sandboxed execution keeps everything locked down and secure. Third, and this is huge, persistent memory across sessions. If you close your terminal and come back tomorrow, Grok literally remembers the exact context of what you were doing. Fourth, custom theming and rich markdown rendering. Because yeah, we all want our terminals to look slick. And finally, robust, built-in Git integration for staging, committing, and branching without ever having to break your flow with the agent. It just elevates the whole experience to another level.
So I really want to leave you with this provocative thought as we wrap up this explainer. How is an agentic terminal going to change your daily workflow? When your terminal is no longer just a standard text prompt, but this active, parallel processing partner that remembers your context and plugs directly into all your tools, how much faster, how much more creatively are you going to be able to build? It's honestly a massive leap forward for developers. That is all. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.